Hello everyone, I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Today I will be reviewing very requested EA. It is called the most wanted EA for MT5. This EA is not like our typical expert advisor that are based on swing strategy or scalper, reversal, etc. This one is different. It is based on machine learning and open AI technology. So what do we mean by machine learning? It means the EA is basically learning itself to trade based on the data that received from online sources and open AI technology. So what is example of open AI? For example, we have the latest software ChatGPT, I believe, or GPT or something like that. This software, whenever you write something, for example, you say ChatGPT, write me a code for application or website, this will do the same for you and it will code it for you like a programmer. So this is an AI type of example. So this EA claim this is the same, but we are not sure. The pair is working on two only, euro, US dollar and gold. Time frame, you can use any time frame, but 15 minutes is recommended. Recommended broker, I recommend Fusion Market, but any other broker I think will be fine with this EA. The expert does not use martingale or any grade. It is protected by stop loss and TP. Minimum deposit 300 US dollar. Backtesting, we will also do a backtest at the end of the video, and I will show you how the EA and is working and what you can expect from drawdown and profit. So we can see an overview for the most wanted EA, and you can see the price is a little bit expensive. He said it will be almost $5,000 at the end, and we are selling it for only 45 USD, so you can test it for yourself before spending so much money. Now the EA, it claim it is based on AI and vector machine learning. It is also using quantum computing, which is very advanced computing and technology. So it said it is the latest AI and it give you everything. I don't know if this is a catchy phrase or if this is real. I hope this is real. And basically we have data coming from online sources, and this EA will analyze the market and the pattern, and then it will decide to make a decision whether it will be buy or sell the market. So this is what it means. And it tell you about the quantum computing. It will be a leverage in the system, so to give you an optimal result. It will help the EA with significant result. So this is what he is saying, and this is automated trading. You will be hand-free, you will not do anything. We have some live result as well, but I will try to analyze them and give you my honest opinion. So for this EA, the expert is easy to use as possible. That's correct, and it works for two pairs. Time frames, no problem. You can use the RESIC. It is auto RESIC size, which is amazing. It said it is suitable for passing Ftmo. I am not sure. This lately Ftmo and Profrom become very famous and popular. So many provider of this EA, they want to sell their EA, they will tell you this is suitable for Ftmo, so you test it and purchase it. We don't really know if this is true or not, because we need live proof, live result for any EA that claim it can pass Ftmo. So we are not sure if this is true or not. However, it does not use martingale, grade, or leveraging or averaging as well. It is protected by TP and stop loss as well. It is very amazing. So I will be showing you the backtest. So we can see for the backtest, the drawdown is very low. It is less than 1%, and the profit is 20 million US dollars. So I am not sure from 1000 USD. I'm not sure if this is possible or not. As I told you, backtest can be manipulated. We have here 60% with, I don't know if this is possible really. It is could be overestimated, or we don't know if this is real or not. So I'm gonna do a backtest. But for the reviews, we have so many positive reviews. However, can see we have some negative here, but we don't know. We have to test it for ourselves. So for the live result, we don't have much data. Only we have few days, I believe, of this EA. So we have 8% and the drawdown is low. We don't have a reliability as well because we need more data, and you can use 300 USD as your minimum balance. This is working on live MT5 or MT4, so it is a possibility. So for the profit trading, we have 100%. Of course, this will not be the possibility. As I said, we don't have much data. For the average holding time, it is 8 hours, so it is a little bit, it holds the trade. We only have 2 months of result. So in January we have 2% and now we have 5%. It's not that much, but I think we will see and wait. So for the drawdown, you can see we have this sort of pattern. We know that maybe the stop loss is too big, or it's not protected by stop loss, or it wait to hit a certain price and close it. That will be a possibility because we have this pattern, so we have to be careful. The average drawdown is 3 right now. This is not a measurement, so we have only 3 trades on euro US dollar, sorry, on gold, and we can see it is opening 0.01 profit. It is nice, but I will be honest with you guys, these I cannot analyze based on these statistics. We don't have much data. We only have 6 trades, which I don't know why only 3 of them are appearing, so this is not going to be a measurement. We have another signal as well. This is for MT5 low risk intense IC market live account 1000, very amazing. Right now we have 3% and we have some drawdown which is low, but we cannot analyze because this is only, it does not appear the signal right now because I don't really know. Let me refresh it. It should be, yeah, here we have some trades you can see on euro US dollar and gold. So this is using 2 pair at the same account, which it is amazing. It is really profitable, but this is short period of time. We need more data. This I cannot analyze based on these data, so I will do a back test. So before I do the back testing, I will show you the setting and the input for this EA. You have the latest V 1.2, and here you can determine the risk size and the type of trading. I recommend you start with low. We have Ftmo mode, so this is for people. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. It's not been tested, but you can purchase it and test it for yourself if you are interested. And you can see the type of trading: medium, intensive, and calm. I recommend you use calm at low. So otherwise you can change the comment, let everything in default, and okay, you can see we have the below icon, so the EA is working fine. So for the back testing, I will be back testing on euro USD 15-minute time frame, and default setting, it will start at 3000 US dollar and we will see the results. So here we can see we have an open trade, and you can see it is a buy for euro US dollar. You can see it is in profit, and it is already been opening, and we have, I believe, another one is closed as well. So we can see the trade has been already closed in profit, and I will put a little bit further because you can see we have opening trade, and I don't know why we can remove these indicators, but you can see trade is open and it is selling it. So for the graphic of this EA back testing, you can see we have some trades here on this history, and the EA, the result are currently ongoing, but you also having some drawdown here. This probably happened maybe because the stop loss is a little bit big, that's why this happened. So we need to wait until the back test is done, is finished, and then I will be back and analyze the results. So guys, finally the back test has finished, and we can see the deposit from 3000 USD into 130,000 US dollar. It is a huge profit. We have some drawdown in the way, but let us see the statistic and decide if it is a good EA. So you can see from 98% accuracy of the history from this back test, we started with 30,000 and end up in total profit. The important thing, we have the drawdown is only 21% by the balance, but it could be 31 by the equity. So the drawdown you can expect to have from 20 to 30%, which is not bad really if it gives us this amazing result. And also the profit factor is very high, and the accuracy is very high for this EA. You can see the short profit trade is 98% and the losing trade is only 2%, but this come to the cost of the drawdown, so that is happening. And let me show you as well the best trade, the worst trade. So you can see the best, or the average reward ratio is better than the losing ratio, which is amazing. It kept it as high accuracy and also kept the good percentage of the profit. So my conclusion for this EA, it is very impressive to test it and see how this EA is working. It's new concept, it's amazing. EA does not use martingale or grid. We have have high accuracy and also high risk to reward ratio for this EA. However, we don't have much data for live results, and we don't really know if this is going to be the same or if this is going to survive for the long term, because backtest cannot reflect to the live data. And so for this EA, for now, I will give it 3.5 out of 5. To be honest, I think this is the fair rating for this EA. I don't know, maybe in the future, if we have live result, we have live data, maybe this will rise into 4.5, but right now it's only 3.5, and this is the fact. So I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching.